In this video, let's talk about how to set up your Outlook email on your iPad the manual way, right? So as you know, you probably are able to get the official Outlook app, which is like the automatic way where everything just syncs up properly through the official app. But besides this, there are also some ways to bring the iPad, the Outlook into your iPad, right? So you can even use the built-in mail application for it. So if you open up the settings, then go to the apps section at the bottom, you're going to be able to find a mail app, and inside of the accounts section, you're going to be able to add a new one, and this one can be the Outlook, which is like already built in with the image right there. So you can tap on it and it's going to move you over directly to Microsoft website, and you can just sign in with that as well. But below it, you also have the other button. And this is a little bit more complicated. This is more for the domain type of email where, you have like a specific at sign at the end of your email, which belongs only to you. You're going to use that, but you could technically use it for Outlook as well. You're just going to type in everything that you have in it there, and you should be good to go. So that's kind of how it works. So obviously, you would choose the imap-mail.outlook.com for the official, like the setup process. But yeah, you can also use like a third-party mail client if that one might work a bit better. For example, I like to use Spark, or even Airmail is okay, Blue Mail. I'm pretty sure with the official Gmail app, you can also add some different accounts in there as well. So play around with these options and go ahead and let me know below if you managed to get them to work. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.